Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video I will tell you when to sell your crypto. But let's do the fun part first.
So here goes the disclaimer. The content in this video is for information purpose only. It's not a financial, legal or tax advice. This video is solely my opinions and I'm not a licensed financial or investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and risky, and I can't guarantee any particular outcome.
Now that the disclaimer is done, let's jump into the video and the big question, when to sell. So there is no answer to this, really. It depends on your own appetite of how much profit you want. Sometimes you sell something and it skyrockets because crypto is like that. You can get up to 20x, 30x, 40x, 50x. 50x is like how much is 50x? It's 5,000%. Yeah, and 100x, it's common, but it's all about holding. Holding is hold on dear life. So what are the different strategies that you would? It depends, number one, on the market cap. How small or how big the market cap is. Market cap, the bigger the market cap, it's going to be in the top 20, top 10 coins. The biggest market cap is, for example, Bitcoin. So it doesn't go up like crazy, and the smaller market cap coins, they have the potential of going up like a hell lot. So that's one of the things to keep in mind. But any coin that you're holding on to, so one of the criteria is to, every time you feel like a hot potato, just sell 30% of your holdings. That way you do make some profit out of it. And that way you can keep selling 30% of your holding every time you feel like a hot potato, and you can do it a few times and then still double, like make a lot of money from it. The other way is like when you double your money, you take out your investment. That's like when you do 1x, this 100%, you take out your investment. So now everything that is invested is free coins or free money or free investments. And then you can stick to the 30% every time you do feel like a hot potato. So basically you took out your investment, and then now everything that's riding on, you just take out 30% every time you feel like a hot potato. But you cannot feel like a hot potato twice or thrice or more than one time a month, or even in 3 months. You should not. You should have gaps, right? That's why you let it ride. Sometimes they say, the person who made the most profit in investments are the people who are dead, and it's true because they don't touch it, right? So in short, the best time to sell is, or how to sell is like this. Then lower market cap coins you can get up to 20x, but it's always nice to divide and sell as you go up and as you go down as well, and not be greedy and know the market. And then it's always nice, and which everyone recommend, is that to have like a moonshot bag. So that means, like, for example, you have Link or Dot, any coin you have, you eventually sold 90% or 95%, 90 to 95% of it. You still hold on to 10% of your bag, and which you sell at euphoria stage, at the highest point. Another point before I finish off this video is this, that some people, they just hold on to their investments. I have people in my family and friends as well. They have it for 8 years, 9 years. They don't know about the cycle. So basically you sell everything in euphoria stage. First Bitcoin peaks, then Ethereum peaks, then the money flows to large market caps, then to mid market caps, then to low market caps. That's how the flow of money is. You sell everything, then you wait for the bottom to get established. Even Bitcoin goes down by 80%, and then you buy back after about 1.1 like 18 months or something like that. So yeah, you sell everything, and just keep these things in mind when you're selling. If you like this video, do smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Ozwanvindu, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.